was working in a lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his lab began to arise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash.
He did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash. He did the mash, did the monster mash. From a laboratory in the castle east, the monster bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls will crave from the humble abodes to get a job from my electric roads. He did the monster mash. Oh, it was a graveyard smash.
The smell of leaves is in the air and how the full moon shines.
It's such a thrill to feel the chill run straight down through your spine. Our favorite night of all the year, we can't believe it's here. Oh, Halloween's the perfect scene to spread some fun and fear. It's a night when ghouls delight and ghosts come out to play.
We've worn our sheets to be discreet, so please don't run away.
Tonight the living and undead can sing in harmony. So organize a grand disguise and join our jamboree.
You can masquerade as anything you wish or dream.
Like something really scary that will make the neighbors scream.
Dress up as a pirate or an angel all in white.
Or be a gruesome monster that will give them all a fright. Boo!
Trick or treat, it's time to greet the strangers at your door.
Now fill their sacks with sweets and snacks, there's always room for more.
A piece or two of candy should appease their appetite.
So don't hold back or they'll attack and prank your house all night.
Halloween's a night that's filled with wonder and surprise.
And creatures in the shadows that are plotting your demise.
Tonight we all can face the dark and prove we're unafraid.
Until a screaming corpse pops out all rotten and decayed.
Carve the pumpkins, hang some bats, and decorate with bones.
To get more frights, we'll dim the lights and let out eerie moans.
Our fearsome fun has just begun, but midnight's drawing near. Oh,
why can't Halloween be more than one night of the year?
Why can't Halloween be more than one night of the year?
You know that old house at the end of the road? The one that nobody ever dares go? They all have good reason to shy and steer clear of that spooky abode and its dark atmosphere. For waiting inside are all manner of frights, especially on those cold, dark, and stormy nights. It lays in ruin, run down, and overgrown. But to all of us ghosts, it's our haunted sweet home.
Welcome to our
Haunted house. Step right in, don't loiter about. The ghosts are dying to give you a tour down every dank and dark corridor. The shadows whisper and the floorboards creak,
and every cobweb's hung with care.
We've done our best to keep it cold and bleak, so you'll be primed for every scare. Welcome to our haunted house. Around each bend, something waits to pop out. 1,000 horrors are lurking within to frighten you right out of your skin. A phantom's hiding neath that old bedspread.
A severed hand creeps across the floor.
Our basement's loaded with the living dead, and we've got specters by the score. Welcome to our haunted house. Ghosts can be real, but now you're having your doubts. Just spend the night here, we'll prove it to you. By making all your nightmares come true. It's bound to scare you when you see our ghostly review. We double dare you. Don't be daunted, brave our haunted house.
it, my curse will be a spine-tingling symphony of disharmony and venomous villainy. My what a spell I'll brew. I'll throw in a snail or two and maybe a sprinkle of moldy mildew. Every ingredient adds to my spicy voodoo. Handful of mandrake root, teaspoon of eye of newt, into my boiling, bubbling pot, what a hoot! Pots and jars fill the air to add some flair and help prepare this glorious mixture of misery, doom, and despair. Oh, what terrors will bring when my cauldron starts fizzling. It will soon ignite a smorgasbord of foul frights and sinister sights, such wonderful, horrible, nightmare-inducing delights. Now, let's pick up the pace a bit. There's more that we have to fit. Some grime and some grit. And don't forget spider spit. I'll throw in this and that. The wing from a vampire bat. And top it all off with the tail of a rat. Wait! This is a bit too quick. I'll try to slow down the trick. It's out of control and making me kind of sick. Time to give this a rest. My helpers are all possessed and must be prevented from causing distress. Nothing will stop me from making my brew a success. I'll wave my wand to bring order and clean up this mess. Aren't you impressed?